Hey guys, so future editing Rachel here, and I just wanted to give some context to this vlog because I didn't intro it at all. I thought this clip was going to go in the last vlog, and then the last vlog got too long, so this is just by itself in this new vlog. So you're about to see like an Airbnb tour from my Airbnb in Sydney where I was staying, and then I was just a really terrible vlogger, so I didn't vlog for like a week. And then so the next clip you're going to see after the Sydney stuff is from like a week later. So just letting you guys know that it's a little bit confusing, but I still really wanted to include the clips because I really liked the clips, but they didn't really make any sense, so that's why I'm filming. But now I'm rambling, so I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoy the vlog. So I was just working on some editing after I finished working on my assignment for today, and then my mum came home and she's like, yeah, we're gonna like leave soon. And I was like, what? Because it was about 3:15 when she came home, and our flight isn't till 7 something, and she's like, yeah, we're gonna leave for the airport at like 4 because apparently the lines are really long in Sydney, so that's just fantastic. So we're probably gonna spend a lot of time waiting and a lot of time in lines, and I'm not excited about it. But I got into my comfy clothes, I finished packing my suitcase, and I thought I'd do a house tour of our BnB because I thought you guys might want to see it. So let me show you the Airbnb tour. Let's have a look. Also, just letting you know that in this Airbnb, it's me staying here, my parents staying here, my auntie and uncle, and my cousin Jordan. So it's not just us, it's like a bunch of us. So it's quite a large house, so like quite a large house for what we needed it for. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna stop rambling now. Let's go. So this is the front door, or at least the door that we've been using to get into the house. And as soon as you walk in, there's these Harry Potter kind of cupboards, and then there is a bathroom down here. This one is an older one. The one upstairs is a lot more modern than this, but I think it's so cool because everything is like bright blue. Like the bath is bright blue, the toilet's bright blue, the sink is bright blue. It's a crazy time. Then if you were to keep walking down this hallway, to the right you have a lounge room with just some couches and a TV and a huge mirror, which you can't really see. Hi guys, what's up? Then if you keep walking through, you walk into like a sunroom, I guess. It's really pretty. I was reading my Bible out here this morning. It's so gorgeous, and it's just surrounded by the garden, and you can't really see, but like the harbour is like right across those bushes. Over here we have a bar. Also, there's this really creepy looking bird here, and I totally thought it was real when we first got here because all I could see is like this part, and yeah, it scared me a little bit. But if you come through this way, there's a nice little desk out here, and then there's like this study, which I really like. This is where I was just studying and doing my assignment. I love this chair. I think it is so cool. But another thing that I really like about this is they literally color coordinated their books. Because it goes black and then red and then orange and blues, and it's just so pretty. And then they've got all the white ones over here. Isn't that just so aesthetically pleasing? Congratulations to the owners of this house. Over here we have like a media room, I guess. I don't know. It's like a second lounge room. There's a lot of like seating areas in this house. Following through is this beautiful big kitchen. Super nice, super clean, super sleek. Love it. They've just got a huge pantry behind there, and then another seating area over here, and the dining table over here, and then the laundry is behind those doors. And then out here, it's not a very good view from here, but they've got an outdoor seating area, and the pool is up there, but I'll show you guys that from the upstairs view. So then when you go up the stairs, this is like a kind of like a 3-storied house. I don't really know, because they've got this like middle floor, which just has the second bathroom on it, which is really, really nice. And then if you go up more stairs, you come to the bedrooms. So the master bedroom is in here where my uncle and auntie are staying. The second like big bedroom is in there where my parents are staying. And then if you go through this door, you have a bedroom on the left and a bedroom on the right. This is a bedroom where my cousin is staying, and this is my bedroom. So I've showed you it a little bit before, but this is what it looks like. It is super tiny, but like so cute. I should probably put the pillows back on the bed. But I just think this is the cutest room ever. Like so cute. It has this cute little chair, cute little pillows, cute little lamp. Love it. But then if you go through the door out from here, you come out to this really big deck, which is so nice, and it's got some chairs and obviously the pool, which we didn't use because it's so cold at the moment. But that is our Airbnb. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I think I'm going to take off my makeup now and just finish packing up a few little things, and then we're going to head over to my uncle's house, and then we're going to head off to the airport. So fun times. We're now at the airport. I didn't vlog anything earlier than this because it's quite boring, but we're here now waiting to board. We got here pretty early, so we're just waiting to board now, but I thought why not vlog a little time lapse for you, so enjoy. currently charging my phone and my laptop at one of the charging stations here. Hope you guys enjoyed the little time lapse. We board in like 20 minutes. So I'm just chilling until then. I'm feeling a little bit bleh. I think I've definitely gotten a little bit sick here, or if it's because it's a little bit colder here, I don't know what it is, but I've started feeling a little bit of a cold and it's just made me feel really bleh. But because of that, I just like haven't felt like filming, and I totally didn't think of this, but I was sitting in one of the cafes here at the airport and this beautiful girl came up to me and was like, oh my gosh, are you Rachel? And I was like, yes. And she told me that she watched my videos and she was just the loveliest girl ever, and she also had, I think it was her sister on the phone, and so I got to speak to her sister on the phone, and they were both just the nicest girls I've ever met, both so incredibly sweet. I believe the name of the one I met was Olivia, and then her sister that I spoke to on the phone was Lillian. I hope that's right. If it's not, I'm so sorry. But if you're watching this, I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming and saying hi to me. I love meeting you guys so much, and they were just like the sweetest girls ever. So it was so lovely to meet you guys, and I hope you and your family had a safe flight home, Olivia. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. So I'm gonna stop vlogging in public so that everyone stops staring at me, and I'll probably talk to you guys when I'm home, because I don't think I'll vlog on the flight at all. I'll see you guys later, because I think I'm gonna edit the whole flight, which I'll need my SD card for. So I'll see you when I'm home. What the frick is going on? I leave for 2 seconds.
She attacked me!
For some reason, I don't feel like you're telling the truth.
Me or Georgia?
Both of you. No, because actually Georgia, because she was like, she was attacking me.
Starting to catch my breath from an attacking me.
Well, you like looked suspicious.
See? She threw a pillow at me!
I did actually make my bed, but like, it's the closest you get to affection from me. Working hard or hardly working?
I'm trying to work hard.
I'm gonna make
I
some.
know what I'm doing.
Every uni student ever.
I don't know where to start. I started writing it and then I was like, no, don't like it. So I got rid of it.
Oh no.
I have like all my research, but I don't know where to start.
I think this is the first time I'm showing my face today. I look great.
I'm trying to defluff my jumper.
I'm trying to defluff my jumper.
It's working. I just vacuumed it.
Sorry, what?
I want to wear it, but like, because it looks really fluffy.
No, it doesn't.
Because this looks 10 times better than what it did.
Oh, I wouldn't. I think it looks fine. Honestly, definitely. I can't believe you vacuumed your jumper.
I can't trust you ever again.
I can't trust you ever again. I don't need dollar bill. This is America.
This is America. This is Sasquatch's house.
I live here.
I live here. This is Brisbane, and I live here.
I didn't say it like that. I live here in the beautiful city of Brisbane. For those who want to keep updated with the sign, there you go. Also, look how good my muffins look. I'm so proud of myself. I mean, I feel like they look a lot better in person. They don't look that good on camera, but I'm so excited. They're just choc chip muffins, and I'm so happy with them. All of the like black spots or like brown spots are obviously chocolate, so they're not burnt. So I look a lot less like a flop now, and I thought I would quickly vlog an OOTD before I head off to church, because I should be leaving right now. But I'm going to show you an OOTD anyway. I already posted a photo of it on my Instagram story, so if you saw that, shout out to you. But if you don't, I'm gonna try and post more OOTDs on there, so follow me on Instagram if you want to see more outfit posts. So this is my full outfit. My earrings are from Zaful, my necklace is from Butterfly Silver, but I wear this like every day. My shirt is from City Beach, from the little girl section actually. My cardigan is from Valley Girl, it's like super super long. My jeans are from Cotton On. My shoes are from Famous Footwear. And I think that's everything. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm gonna go to church now. See you later. Have a great night. Future editing Rachel back again to end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this really random mess of a vlog. I'm sorry, but I wanted to get something up for you guys because I know I've been really MIA on YouTube lately. I will be getting back into it as soon as possible, and I'll be doing a little like life update probably in the next vlog, I think. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later in my next video very soon. Goodbye.